A question that we often get is, when is a good time for me to upgrade the system in my home? And really, there's a couple of different answers for that. A good thing for starters is to get an annual inspection and just see, how the condition of the system is doing. Other things to consider is, are you having issues with heating and cooling in certain areas of your home? Does it not seem to keep up like it used to? Do you have utility bills that are maybe starting to get higher than you were in the previous times having to pay? Another thing too might be, have you added an addition or done a renovation, and now this system just seems like it's being overworked, or also age. So anything over about 12, 15 years, it's good to start at least looking at that as an option. And we really have some really great technology to kind of help with that. So if you're planning on remodeling your home or doing an addition, I would give us a call, and we're always happy to help, whether it's a maintenance to a full system. We're prepared, we're prompt, we're peppy, so we're ready for whatever we need to do, and we'd love for you to give us a call and we see how we can help you.